No and not both mean no, right? Well, not really. Let me show you the real difference. Here we have no and not, and both of them are used to make a sentence negative. But there is a difference, and now we are going to learn the difference. No is used for nouns. And not is used for verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. Noun is a word used to identify any of class of people, places, or things. For example, cat, chair, or car. Verb is a word used to describe an action. For example, go, eat, or drive. Adjective is a word naming an attribute of a noun. For example, sweet, green, or technical. Adverb is a word or phrase that modifies or qualifies an adjective or verb or other adverb. For example, carefully, gently, or quiet. Now we are going to answer these questions. Number 1. There is blank sugar in your coffee. Which one is correct, no or not? Here the keyword is sugar, and we know that sugar is a noun. And we said for nouns we use no. So we say there is no sugar in your coffee. Number 2. We had to walk home because there was blank bus. Here the keyword is bus, and we know that it is a noun. Bus is a big vehicle which transfers people around the town or city. So we know it is a noun. For nouns, we use no. We say we had to walk home because there was no bus. Number 3. I have blank a new car. Here the keyword is new, and we know that it is an adjective because it describes car. So new is an adjective. For adjectives, we said we use not. We say I have not a new car. Number 4, there were blank more than 100 students at school. Here more than is a part of a noun phrase. So we deal with it as a noun. For nouns we use no. There were no more than 100 students at school. Number 5, they have blank enough money to buy a car. In the sentence, enough is an adjective. Because it describes money that is a noun. For adjectives, we use not. They have not enough money to buy a car. Number 6, we have blank food for the party. All of us know that food is a noun. For nouns, we use no. We say we have no food for the party. Number 7, we had blank reason to change the plan. You know that in English grammar, reason is a noun. For nouns, we use no. We had no reason to change the plan. Number 8, my homework is blank, different from yours. In English grammar, the word different is an adverb. We said for adverbs we use not. So we say my homework is not different from yours. Number 9, there is blank light in this room. All of us know the meaning of light. This is light. So we know that it is a noun. So we say there is no light in this room, because we said for nouns we use no. Number 10, there is blank furniture in the office. Which one is correct? No or not? Here the keyword is furniture, and we know that it is a group name. It is a group of several sofas and furnitures, so it's a noun. And for nouns, we know that we must use no. There is no furniture in the office. The last question, she does blank drink tea. Here the keyword is drink. What is the meaning of drink and what is it? Is it an adverb, an adjective, a verb, or a noun? And which one do you use for this question? No or not? Let me know in the comments. And to learn the difference between can and may, watch the next video.